there?
Yes, they're an invasive pest, but they're delicious.
They're quite popular in Brittany, aren't they?
Yes, they sell them there.
As they're invasive species, we should really eat more of them.
That's true. They're like cockles.
And you can steam them lightly along with mussels with some garlic and some herbs and some white wine.
Lovely. Now the oysters are in the bucket, all the sediment has sunk to the bottom. They're in seawater at the moment. We're going to change the water and leave them for half an hour in fresh water to purge them.
It's got a natural filtering system.
Yes, they do. So any impurities or nasty things be excreted before we cook them.
Dan's shocked all these wonderful oysters, and some of them I can see will be quite good for me to make into oyster shell candles. So now I'm going to assemble my special oyster recipe for Dan. So first of all, I'm going to add a bit of chilli to all of these, and that's in Kona, and then I'll use some of this black pepper, sprinkle it over liberally, and some chopped coriander. This is Iceland's frozen coriander. It's freshly frozen, so once you get it out of the packet it soon melts. It's just like using fresh but without all the hassle. You can also find garlic and chilli and ginger all in the freezer cabinet. And then lastly, I have some cheese. Put that on each oyster, just a little bit. These lovely fresh oysters are now going in the oven until cooked through. They won't take long. I'm just going to look in the oven to see how these are. They've had about 10 minutes and they look to be ready. So now I'm going to put them in this dish and then they'll be ready to serve. And they smell really fresh from the sea. Lucky Dan. And there we go. A lovely bowl of baked oysters.